Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be making some tiffin. I've ran out of honeycomb. I was going to go and buy some, so I decided to make it at home. Now this particular recipe I'm going to be showing you will take around about 5 minutes to prep, 10 minutes to cook, and around about an hour to 2 hours to cool down for your perfect homemade honeycomb. So any ado, we'll get straight on with the recipe. And don't forget, you will find the recipe in the description. And for your recipe, you want 170 grams, that's weighed up, of golden syrup, 400 grams of caster sugar, and 20 grams of bicarbonated soda. Also, you require a 20 centimeter non-stick square cake tin. Do make sure it's sprayed with oil or butter. Also, you need some wooden instruments, especially a wooden spoon, and of course, a saucepan. First, we start off by melting our golden syrup, so we bring that up to the boil. Then we add in our sugar. Now we're going to keep mixing this round with a wooden spoon on a low heat. But don't let it bubble at this stage, but just keep stirring it round until the sugar has completely dissolved. Once it's melted, turn up the heat and bring it to the simmer. Cook until it has an amber colour. Now with golden syrup, you can see it's already got a type of amber colour anyway. So just make sure it's almost like a caramel colour, but not too dark. Now you need to keep this going until it starts to soften. Now you need a thermometer and it needs to reach 150°C. That is the perfect window. As soon as it hits the 150°C, as quickly as possible, remove from the heat, add in your bicarbonated soda, and beat with a wooden spoon until it's dissolved. As soon as that mixture's ready, get it straight into the tin, but be absolutely careful. This is red hot and it will burn. And all we need to do then is just leave it on the side for around 1 to 2 hours. And that's it. You'll see it starting to bubble in the tin. And that's it. It's that simple. And once you've done that, you can break it all up. You can dip it in chocolate. You can almost do anything with this. But a little tip, if you've got a lot over, like me in the bakery, what I do is I'll wrap it up into a plastic bag and chuck it in the freezer. And it comes out just as it goes in. And that is how to make a simple, easy honeycomb. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!